told me to permit me to raise his hands against his father. And the case he has built is this. First of all, that he insults Ahmediyya while his mother is an Ahmadi, a born Ahmadi, his father is a non-Ahmadi, not only non-Ahmadi but a hostile Ahmadi, a hostile non-Ahmadi, who abuses Hazrat Muslim and Ahmadiyyat in such wild terms that he says he cannot tolerate. So what's my opinion? What's my advice? I said, you're not going to beat your father anyway. In such situations, you can't even beat your enemies who are not your relatives. So why should I permit you to beat your father? He said, all right, then he changed his stance. He said, all right, my father begins to beat my mother. What do I do in that case? I said, this is a situation common to religious or non-religious situations. I mean, this is not particularly pertaining to Ahmadiyyat or non-Ahmadiyyat. Many times it happens that some cruel husbands beat their wives even if their children are grown up. So the answer to that situation would be the same. It's a very ugly situation. And still I shouldn't permit children to raise their hands against their father. So what they should do is to go to the law. Before such situations develop, they should have recourse to the elders of the town, their neighbors, and bring about some moral pressure against his fathers. And if they don't still behave and rectify their ways, then Islam permits them to have permits the wife to have a divorce. So when the Holy Quran has laid down everything so clearly, why not to adopt the normal course and try to seek permission from me to beat their father? I mean, this I'm not going to do anyway. So still he wanted to press the point further. I said, look, whatever you do, I'm not going to permit you to beat your father. So please sit down. Please.